Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to remove green screen in CapCut using Chroma Key. So here I have two videos imported to my CapCut and this is the main video and this is the green screen video or the subscribe button where I want to apply it to the main video here. So first you need to make it as overlay the green screen. Then to remove the green screen you can just use Chroma Key. So by clicking on the overlay, find the cutout options, then you'll find Chroma Key. Click on that and then click on the color picker and drag the color picker into the green on the video. Adjust the intensity and also the shadow, and just like that the green screen will be removed and you'll have with the subscribe button. For example, I want to put it in here. Okay, so this will be the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment, click on the thumbs up icon, and also click on the thanks. Bye.